The Algorand Virtual Machine, or in short AVM, executes smart contracts on Algorand and it natively supports just two data types, UN64 and byte arrays. To give developers more flexibility, Algorand Python provides several AlgoPy native types in the AlgoPy module, and more standardized ARC4 types, including complex data types like dynamic arrays, tuples, and structs. However, developers should understand the following key characteristics of ARC4 types before working with them. First, ARC4 types are exclusive to ARC4 smart contracts because they rely on specific encoding rules to generate smart contract ABIs. Second, all ARC4 types are fundamentally backed by AVM byte arrays. Take ARC4.UN64 for example. Since it's backed by bytes, you can't perform direct math operations on it. To do calculations, you'll need to access its native UN64 representation using the .native property and work with the native UN64 type. Finally, while ARC4 types excel at loading, storing, and returning data, they're not ideal for data manipulation. When you need to modify data, it's recommended and often required to decode and work with an Algorand Python native type. Working directly with ARC4 types for manipulation can be either more computationally expensive or simply not possible.